Alright, so here I am adding additional curl enhancing smoothie to my edges. I just want to make sure that those are really nice and moisturized as well. Alright, so my hair is about 50% dry here, but I'm going to go ahead and with my diffuser to get it 100% dry. Now typically I do like to let my hair air dry, but since we are in the winter months, I'm going to go ahead and use my diffuser for this one. Now that the hair is dry, we're going to go in with our extra virgin olive oil and just begin to separate our curls. I absolutely love this process. It's probably my favorite part about styling my hair. So I just continue to separate each curl. This is going to add volume as well, and yeah. For additional volume, I'm going to go in with my pick and just begin to pick out my hair in the areas that I feel need to be a little fuller. And then we're going to add some edge control to our edges, and that is it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, let me know by giving me the thumbs up. Questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, seize your destiny and have fun doing it. Bye-bye.